What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So remember last episode where I said I could just leave the HKS ball valve there and it should be good? Well, turns out I was wrong. Definitely found one of my leaks already. It won't even hold past 25 psi, which would explain why I wasn't getting the 30 psi from last time. So today I'm going to be tackling that. I'm just going to be cutting off the HKS, plugging that, testing to see if there's any other leaks, I suppose. Now in the charge pipe on this side, there's only one thing connected. Well, one thing now because the HKS isn't connected anymore. I have a methanol injection somewhere in there. Right there. I'm not sure if that's gonna come true, but it's right there. Aside from that, one coupler here and then one coupler in the middle, and that should come right out. Alright guys, side note, I got a new welding helmet. I'll put a link in the description, guys. But this thing is pretty awesome. I mean, it has a lot of positive review on Amazon. The price is great, so definitely recommend it. Now the main reason I'm switching, this thing started to flicker on me, so at some point it kind of stops working a little bit and then it gets back to working, and yeah, I can't do that with my eyes. So I didn't realize how much I'm missing out with upgrading from, this is like, I don't know, a few years back to what they currently have now. The visibility, this whole thing being that big, it's great compared to this little viewing window that you have. Also, the sensitivity on this is pretty awesome. Granted, it is brand new versus like a 2-3 year old unit, but this thing works awesome. Another bonus, this little head mount right here, this is actually really comfortable in comparison to that. Like, I put this on, feels great. Yeah, this design is just pretty great. I mean, the padding is good, it feels soft. This backing right here is great. As you can see right here, you get a lot of movement, like a really soft movement versus really rigid right here. That's an added bonus. Not getting paid by this, but I'm really happy with this purchase, so I figured I'd share with you guys. Alright guys, here it is, blocked off. Not the prettiest looking thing. I did punch it in a little bit, so should create a little bit less turbulence. And I did try to get it as close as possible to the piping. Should be fine. I mean, a little bit of turbulence there is probably insignificant compared to all the other stuff that I have going on with the car. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this back and let's pressure test it. Alright guys, moment of truth. Let's check this out. By the way, I'm gonna pressurize it to 30 and probably 35. The only one I'm really worried about is the LS6 intake manifold. I'm not sure if that's gonna hold. .30 psi. Pretty good. 35. Okay, so far no leaks, which is good. Well, now that we have the boost leak addressed, what do you guys think? Now, I didn't push it for 30 psi because there is a, where's my laptop? Right there. There's a little bit of a lean spot right when I'm brake boosting. So I'm gonna fix that first and then we'll go ramp up the boost again. That is gonna be it for this episode. Thank you guys for watching and I'll see you guys next time.